Good morning and welcome to the Refined Investor. Hope everyone is well. It's been a rough week or 5 days. Feels probably like a lifetime for a lot of people that got liquidated. I just really wanted to bring up what's important to do next because the one thing, if you were affected by anything that happened last weekend or last Friday, I think this message is for you. And if you weren't, this is a message of a warning for those who could fall into that same trap. But for those who did get burned, through leverage or any sort of investment decisions or trade decisions that were made on the basis that you're going to make a lot of money, right? Regardless of that, and whether you feel that markets were manipulated, and many are claiming that there was a ton of manipulation, we could argue in favor of that or against that. All of that is on the table. That's fine. But what's important to take away is not that. What's important to take away is what can you do to protect yourself. And I just want to leave you with a quick message. Do not let them, those that manipulated the markets, if that happened, or if you just got unlucky and hey, look, let's say you run a business and you make a mistake and you don't run your business well. Do you just quit and not go run a business again? Do you not try again to open a business? Or would you say, hey, look, I learned some very valuable lessons from this experience, and I'm going to take those lessons now, and I'm going to apply them into my next venture? And so if you really have a passion for the crypto markets and you believe that this is the future, do not let this spook you out of it. There's a ton of opportunity still. It's still here. Guys, this just vanish, right? The fundamentals are there, right? You'll hear this again and again. It's just true. Nothing has changed. People got liquidated, markets crash, markets recover. Okay, do you remember what happened at COVID? Bitcoin went from whatever, 6, 7,000 down to 3,000, and then boom, here we are, right? It happens. If anything, it was an opportunity for those to get back involved and to get invested. Just accept that the volatility is a part of everything. If you feel like this is too risky for you, that's fine. Then try to play the game with no leverage. Take it as an investment of the future, okay? Same as you would anything else. When you invest in something, build it for the future. Think generationally. And if you do that, I think you'll be far better off. And don't get freaked out by this, and don't let them scare you away, right? That's exactly what they're trying to do. They don't want you, particularly, to have those advantages of these gains that are going to be seen. And so, never financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor. If you're not sure where you stand financially, figure that out first. See where you stand, what you're able to do. Have a good day, everyone.